Hi, amazing YouTubers. This is Leda here, owner of 𝗧𝗢𝗡 Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm coming at you today because I want to teach you guys how to trim your bangs. I know, like, if you check the date right now, we are in quarantine for the coronavirus, which is super crazy. Lots of things going on. In North Carolina, our salons are shut down until April 30th. As of right now, today is April the 7th. And so I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home and some of y'all probably need some trims. So I'm gonna teach you how to cut your bangs. And I say cut very, very lightly. I mean trim. I mean just get the dead ends, the split ends, and then just to get you by, and then book your haircut, because this isn't gonna get you by with forever, okay? This is like, just, you're in quarantine, you gotta do what you gotta do, or you're feeling a little bit like, I wanna do something with my hair, but not a whole lot. Please don't touch the color, please don't box color. What ends up happening if you color or box color, it's gonna make it 10 times harder when you go back into the salon, because now as a hairstylist, we're trying to lift that old color and box color. I'm not gonna get into it, is a totally different breed than what we have in the salon. Totally, 100% complete different. It's like comparing a Happy Meal to the best filet mignon at the best steakhouse. That's how different, okay? So please don't touch the box color, please. If you're gonna do anything and you feel like you need a little trim, you got those split ends and they're just driving you crazy, this is what this is for, okay? So, my number one tip for you guys, let your hair air dry. Let it be as natural as possible. Do not blow it out, do not flat iron it, do not curl it. Like, let your hair be air dried before you come in and you trim your bangs, okay? Ooh. Now, I'm gonna comb her hair forward. Mannequin head hair is very, very different, but it is what it is. I've actually showed on my TikTok videos me cutting my own bangs, but I can only do so much before I have no hair. So here we are, mannequin head. Your hair is completely air dried, 100% natural, okay? Next, I want you to comb your hair forward, wherever your bangs start. Or, I mean, you can get into these areas here, but again, I'm gonna show you what to do. Don't do too much, because if you cut too much, you can't put it back, okay? So, you're gonna comb out your hair. You're gonna see where your split ends are. What I want you to do is take your scissors, point up. Don't go across, because you're gonna chop off a big hunk of hair and it's gonna be really, really, really hard for you to correct. It takes hairstylists years to master a perfect haircut, okay? So this is, you're at home and you got those split ends that are driving you crazy. Scissors up, and I want you to go like this, okay? Then I want you to pick up your hair. Wherever you see what looks like tree branches, white tree branches, those are your split ends. That's what you're gonna wanna cut. And so how you're going to do that is you're gonna take your hair and you're gonna point cut ever so slightly. If your bangs are long enough, you'll be able to see them 100%. If they're short, you may need the mirror. But I never want you to go like this and chomp off your hair. I want you to just take your scissors and point up and just point cut those little ends off. You can get into here if you like, if your hair is long enough, but again, point up, nip. Point up, nip. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not cut too much. Again, this is a situation that's just gonna get you by until you're able to book your appointment and get back in the salon. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Make sure that you're subscribing here, because I'm gonna have more and more, lots of tips on hair and social marketing. So this is the spot, 𝗧𝗢𝗡 Hair Salon. Subscribe, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Love y'all. Bye.